it's been really windy the past 2 or 3 days, and now it's raining. So the audio outside hasn't been great. But welcome to the third vlog. It is the day before classes start, and, well, I don't even have my class schedule yet because, well, I just think that's kind of funny because we're foreign exchange students. We don't have our class schedules yet, and classes start tomorrow. Pretty much what's going to happen is in 2 weeks, we will finalize our class schedule, and until then, it'll just be, we go to whatever classes we think are interesting, and hopefully those are the ones we end up putting on our schedule. I felt like an Instagram foodie taking this video. Everyone's waiting in line to get their textbooks. Tanoshikatta, oishikatta, shakko dansubu to bangohan no tabeta bakkari. Just had dinner with the Ballroom Dance Club here. And that was really fun. It was delicious too. Let me know any comments or questions below. Thanks for watching.